Hello, I'm Dakota Smith with Service Champions. Today, I'd like to introduce you to our exclusive 13-step PureFlow air distribution process, a system designed to help deliver cleaner air, greater comfort, improved efficiency, and better overall performance from your heating and air conditioning system. At Service Champions, our goal is simple: to provide the freshest, cleanest, and healthiest air possible for your home and family. Many homeowners don't realize that their ductwork plays a major role in the quality of air that they breathe every day. Over time, gaps, leaks, poor connections, and improperly sealed ductwork can allow contaminants from the attic to enter the air distribution system. Dust, dirt, insulation particles, allergens, and other airborne debris can be drawn into the ductwork and circulated throughout the home. One of the reasons this happens is due to a pressure difference created when your HVAC system operates. As air moves through the duct system, areas of negative pressure can develop, pulling unwanted contaminants into the ductwork through leaks and unsealed connections. This process can reduce indoor air quality and contribute to allergy symptoms, respiratory irritation, and overall discomfort. Another critical factor that many companies overlook is static pressure. Static pressure is essentially the resistance your HVAC system experiences as it moves air throughout your home. Think of it like blood pressure in the human body. When the static pressure becomes too high due to undersized ductwork, restrictions, poor design, or airflow imbalances, your system is forced to work harder than it was designed to. This can lead to reduced efficiency, higher utility bills, uneven temperatures, excess wear and tear, and premature equipment failure. It's essentially shortening your system's lifespan. That's why our PureFlow process focuses on much more than simply sealing the ductwork. We evaluate the entire air distribution system and to ensure proper airflow, proper duct design, proper balancing, and optimal static pressure throughout your entire home. When airflow is balanced correctly, every room receives the conditioned air it needs, creating a comfortable and efficient living environment. One analogy we often use at Service Champions is that your furnace and air conditioner are like the heart of your HVAC system, while your ductwork serves as the arteries. When someone experiences heart problems, it's often not the heart itself that's the root cause. It's a restriction or issue with the arteries that prevent proper flow. The same concepts apply to your HVAC system. In many cases, comfort issues, efficiency problems, excess equipment strain, and premature system failures can be traced back to improperly designed, damaged, or poorly performing ductwork. Our PureFlow air distribution process is designed to address those issues by creating properly sealed, balanced, and optimized air delivery system that allows your equipment to operate the way that it was intended. The result is improved comfort, better airflow, healthier indoor air quality, greater efficiency, and a system that can perform at its highest potential. In just a moment, we'll walk you through our exclusive 13-step PureFlow process and show you exactly how we achieve those results.
Today we're introducing our new PureFlow air distribution system. Many people don't realize that leaky duct systems are an epidemic in California. This was confirmed by a report put out by the California Energy Commission, which stated that the average California home loses 30% of the conditioned air through leaky ducts. We're finding homes are leaking sometimes 50, 60, even 70%, which is really a major issue and why the PureFlow process solves that problem. The first step in the PureFlow distribution process is an on-site analysis of the client's HVAC system, current duct system, and home design. Your new system will be designed by a trained and certified indoor air quality specialist. Your home will be prepared for the new PureFlow air distribution system installation. Your existing ducting will be bagged and sealed to ensure that the home is kept clean and safe. The installation of your new PureFlow system begins with pulling the inner barrier of the duct over the metal connector and securing it with a high-tension drawband. This will ensure that the duct will remain in place for many years to come. Next, a coat of fiber reinforced VOC mastic sealant is applied to the joint. This will ensure that the air you paid to heat and cool stays inside, and the contaminated air from in your attic or under your home does not enter your living space. Then we apply a layer of mesh tape to reinforce the joint. What that does is act like rebar inside of concrete. It really reinforces the joint so it won't pull apart. Then we'll add an additional layer of fiber reinforced mastic sealant over the top of the mesh. What that will do is reassure that the joint is completely sealed and as strong as possible. The gold certified formaldehyde-free insulation and outer reflective radiant and vapor barrier are pulled over the sealed connection and secured in place with another high tension drawband and tightened down with a tensioning tool. All seams on all metal connections in your PureFlow system will be sealed with a fiber-reinforced mastic sealant. An additional layer of foil-backed insulation is added over any exposed metal on your PureFlow system to ensure that the temperatures in your crawl space or your attic do not affect the temperature and humidity of the air coming into your home. Adjustable airflow dampers are installed throughout the PureFlow system. What this will do is help avoid any hot or cold spots in the home and maintain a nice, even temperature so everyone can be comfortable. Every register is secured to the wall or ceiling with a high-pressure sealing material. This ensures that only pure air is delivered into your home, avoiding any contaminants from the attic or crawl space. The final step in the installation process is installing new comfort-maximizing metal registers. After the installation of the Pure Airflow distribution system is complete, we perform a duct air balance to ensure that every room in the home gets balanced heating and cooling. Once complete, a duct pressure test is performed by a third party to confirm the ductwork efficiency and energy savings compliance with California standards.
By now, you have a better understanding of our complete PureFlow air distribution process and how important properly designed and sealed ductwork is to the comfort, health, and efficiency of your home. One thing that we're most proud of here at Service Champions is the confidence that we have in the work we perform. That's why our PureFlow air distribution system comes with a lifetime guarantees on the duct seals themselves. As long as you own the home, you'll never have to worry about those seals coming loose, leaking, or falling apart again. Our goal is to provide more than just heating and cooling. We want to help create a healthier, more comfortable living environment while maximizing the performance and longevity of your HVAC system. Thank you for taking the time to hear about our PureFlow process.